Hi, Ethan here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3D origami pieces. Now, these might not look like much individually, but when you got quite a few, you can make amazing works of art, such as this swan, which I'll be showing how to make in another video. I'm also going to show you how to make this little tool that I use to change the piece from this, which is, as you can see, is flat, not very good for using, into this, which is a nice round curved edge, which is really open and easy to use. So, in order to make these, start by taking an A4 sheet of paper, which is like printer paper, and then fold it in half the long way once, and then fold it in half this way again. So you have a nice thin strip like this. Now take it and fold it in half the short way, and then fold it in half again, and fold it in half again. Once you have this, you take out some scissors and you cut off one little strip right on those little marks. Then you have this, and on this fold you cut it in half. You can open this up and cut it in half right along this fold. And then you can just cut all the other bits into the individual pieces. And there you have one piece that you need in order to fold these 3D modular pieces. Now here's how to fold them. Take the piece and fold it in half from here to here. Make sure to crease nice and sharp this edge. And now estimate the middle. Most people will teach you to fold in half right here, but don't do that because it doesn't make the pieces very well. So just estimate the middle and then just fold this down right on where you think the middle is. It's okay if you're a little bit off because you can work with almost anything. And then fold the other flap over as well. Once you have that, flip it over. You'll see that these parts are a little bit behind this flap. Now take this corner and fold it down. So then you get this. Do the same on this side. So you have something that looks like a Superman symbol almost. And then fold along this edge. So you basically fold that up. And that down. And now, most people will tell you to bring this up and then like crease along here, but I don't think it's a really good idea to do that. So just grab it, the edges, and pull it up. You'll see that it's slightly puffed at the front. Take your little tool, I'll be showing you how to make that at the end of the video, and insert these prongs into those holes. Push it all the way down, and now you can see how the piece is nice and puffed. You want to make you want the pieces as puffed as you can get them, which makes it really easy to make things like this. Now I'm going to show you how to make the little tool. So what you're going to need is 8 of the pieces. They don't have to be puffed right now because you're just making the tool, but if they are puffed, that's better. So take them all apart like this. So you have them all spread out. Now take one and insert one of the prongs into one of the pockets of another one like this. If you glue this, it'll be a lot stronger, so I highly recommend gluing this. Now take the other prong and stick it into another hole right there. So far you have 3 pieces, you're going to need 8. Now take another piece and put these 2 prongs into the holes. So we're halfway there. And now take another piece and insert this prong and this prong into the holes, like this. Do the same on the other side. And now take another piece, insert these 2 prongs into these holes, and put it on. And then take your final piece and put these 2 prongs in these 2 holes. And there you have it, your nice little tool. These are very useful for making the puff pieces. If you don't do this, you're going to get pieces like this. if you do use these tools, you're going to get nice puffed pieces like this, which are very good for making this origami. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.